Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, the garage is empty. The Astra got sold and we have cash in our hands and we're ready to buy our next car. So the original person who looked at the Astra ended up not buying the car. I told him that I don't have time to change the wind mirror cover and he wasn't too happy about it. I told him I'd give him a discount of €100 if he changes it himself, but he didn't want to. So I had another few people waiting in line, so I messaged them and told them the car is still available if they want to come down and have a look. So the second person came down, had a look and bought it. They were happy with the car and they paid me €1,150. So on the Astra, we spent €495. We got €1,150. So we made €655 just from the first flip. I am more than happy enough. We more than doubled our profit and now we can move on and buy something else. So another thing that I'm going to mention now and continue it through all the videos is that in my country where I'm from, when we sell a car and make a profit, we have to pay the government on the profit we make. I think it's like 15%. So what I'm gonna do is every time we sell a car, I'm gonna automatically just deduct that sum. And yeah, so I don't wanna explain it every video, and when new followers and new subscribers start watching, they'll not understand and I don't wanna have to repeat myself. So I'm just gonna automatically deduct how much tax and stuff we have to pay. So yeah, about the profits that I mentioned in the video is gonna be all taxed money. So that's pure profit in the hand, government paid, everybody paid, and then we can spend all that money buying the next car. So with all the taxes paid and everything for our next car, we have a budget of €1,100. This week I became a father, so we just had a baby, me and my wife, and all week we've been in the hospital, so I should be back home soon enough in the next couple of days and continue making the videos as I did usually and uploading a couple times a week. I have already found the next car that we're gonna buy. As I mentioned, I became a father this week and all week I'm spending in the hospital. So I don't have much time to spend in the garage, and when I'm back from the hospital I have to go back to my normal job as well. So I am on tight schedule for everything, so I wanted this next flip to take as little time as possible. So I found a car online and bought it sight unseen. We paid €800 for the car, €250 to get it delivered to my home country, because the car is located in Estonia and I live in Lithuania. So it's going to cost me around €250 to transport it from Estonia to Lithuania. So the car will be brought to the garage. We'll have paid a total of €1,050, which will leave the budget with €50. But the guy that I bought it from, he sent me loads of photos and videos about the car, and it really doesn't need any work. It has some bad paint work, which we might fix with just buying some touch-up paint. So really, once we get the car, the only work we'll have to do to it is get it cleaned, get it prepped, touch-ups and stuff like that, and list it for sale. As I said, because I don't have much time, I don't want to be in the garage working on this car for like a whole week or two or three. So I just wanted to buy something that we could just clean, wash, take some nice photos of and list it and make a couple of €100. So in the next video, I'm going to reveal what car we bought when it arrives to the garage. Should be here next week. All I'm going to say, it's quite a strange car. I've never owned one. I don't think I've even seen one on the streets before here in Lithuania, but I'm pretty sure we're going to make a profit on it, because in my country they're selling for around like 2,500, 3,000 to 4,000 euros. But I got this for, with delivery, 1,050. But because the bodywork isn't in great condition. I think we're just gonna list it for like 1,500 euros or something like that. Make a quick couple of €100 without doing any work, just by cleaning it and listing it for sale. So other news that is happening on the channel, I'm getting rid of this daily car. I want to buy something more interesting. So I'm not gonna paint it and everything like that like I planned in the previous videos. What I'm gonna do is sell it as is, because as I said, I don't have time to be working on it. It needs to get all the rust fixed and a full respray, which will take me forever. So the daily is getting sold. So yeah, I'm gonna make a small separate series where I sell my daily, and with the money that I get, I'm just gonna buy a few cars to flip until we get to a nice daily car. I've not a car in mind, maybe like a 335i or a 535i, something that I can daily fit a baby sit in the back and get the prom in the boot, and I want it to be quick. The Passat, it's big, it's comfortable, but it's a 1.4 Eco fuel, so, well, it's not fun to drive, and I don't want to be driving my kid around in some slow ass car, you know. So yeah, we're gonna sell the daily as it is. I think I have a person already interested in it. Once it gets sold, with the money that we get for it, I'm gonna try to trade my way up to something that's, well, just interesting and fun to drive. So yeah, there's gonna be a little separate series as well. So we're still going to continue the 500 to a supercar series, because, well, I want a supercar, and who wouldn't want a supercar? And then alongside that, we're going to have a series where I just flip my way up to, well, till we get to a daily that is fun to drive every day. It's fast, it's big, it's comfortable, whatever. I know the 335i isn't the ideal family car, but it's gonna be enough space. I have only one kid, so yeah, I'm thinking it might be okay. The 535i would be a little bit better, but I'm not 100% decided on what car I'm gonna get yet. So if you have any ideas of a car that I could get for up to 10,000 euros that's fast, big and comfortable, let me know down below in the comments. So yeah, if you have any suggestions of a good car that is powerful, that's easy tunable, that I can get a baby seat in the back, prom in the boot, and have fun down the road, let me know down below of any suggestions. Or maybe a Porsche Cayenne, the Mark 1, put some off-road tires on it, we can take it out, we can take it down to the woods, do some off-roading and stuff like that. Or a sports car, if we get a 335i or something like that, we're not going to take it off-road obviously, but that would make for some good content. So yeah, today's just a quick video of me updating you on what's happening in my life. I still can't believe that I became a father. It's something that I've wanted for many years, and I finally achieved one of my dreams. So now it's time to move on and achieve my second dream, which is a supercar. Then we can get a nice daily and I'll be set. I have a nice daily, a supercar, a hot wife and a kid. What else does a man need in his life? So if you want to see the car that we bought for this series and the next flip, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications, and comment down below of what car you think we got. It's a hatchback, it's Japanese, that's all the info I'm gonna give you. And if you want to stay up to date with the new series that we're gonna do of flipping up to an awesome daily, also make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.